how to unblock someone on Instagram. And this video will show you a couple different steps that'll help you unblock people within the Instagram app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first way that you can easily unblock someone is to simply navigate to their profile. Once you get to their profile, you'll see that it says this account is private, and then right under their bio, you'll see unblock. So if you select unblock, you'll need to confirm, but you can then unblock that person very easily. Now, if you don't know the person's Instagram username or you can't get to their profile, simply navigate to your profile on Instagram and we can unblock the person in our settings. Once you get to your profile, select the three lines in the top right to open the settings. Then in the settings, just scroll down a little bit until you see who can see your content and select blocked. It will then show you the people that have been blocked on Instagram. From there, all you need to do is select unblock next to the person you want to unblock. Confirm you do indeed want to unblock this person. It'll then remove that person from your blocked list, and you have now unblocked them on Instagram. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.